Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use and how to get the beehive in Scrap Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to make your own beeswax from some pigment flowers. So to begin, first of all we'll need to go ahead and go through the grow lab number 2, and once you complete the whole grow lab, once you go through all of it, at the end you'll see a kind of balloon chest that is going to need you to hit it with a hammer, and once you do this, you'll get the schematic for a beehive. Then once you go back to your base, you'll need to go to the craft bot, and here you'll see the beehive. It is going to require you to get wooden blocks level 2, component kits, circuit boards, and soul bags. So gather all of these resources, go ahead and craft it, place it down wherever you like, and fill it up with some pigment flowers, which you can find in the starting biome as kind of flowers, and it is going to take up to 3 minutes to make one beeswax from one pigment flower. Also, these things are going to stack on top of it. As you can see, it is going to display it like a propped item, but if you try to pick it up with some large chest or a vacuum pump, it is not going to function, because this is not portrayed in the game as a dropped item. It is not able to be automated. So you'll need to pick it up by hand, and this can stack up to 20 beeswax per beehive. So this is pretty much all how to get and use the beehive. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.